what's good? On today's shenanigans, Logan, let them know what it is, bro.
Man, today we're out here putting the 6-inch rough country lift on the Iron Man. So
yeah, we are.
All the boys out here.
Everything's painted. Tell them we got a mess, dude, don't we?
It's a
and
mess,
what do we
bro.
got to do tomorrow?
You said what?
What do we got to do tomorrow?
What are you talking about?
We got to turn right back around and go to Burlington.
Yes.
Burlington's not ready for the
Bro,
heat.
the long drive, dude.
Trent, what the thing you got going on, my boy?
Scraping the frame, getting all this damn oil off of it.
That Chevrolet oil residue.
But y'all don't want to see the bottom of mine, then.
Show the zip ties.
So, got the rear drop in. Logan, what you think? Should we put the front in now?
Yeah, let's go ahead and put a front
Hey,
in.
got them uppers in.
had like hundreds of people slide up in my snap.
Oh. It's about to do what?
Slide,
Who, RJ?
Set it off in this motherfucker, boy.
We got Go-Go Gadget over here.
Fucking
Logan, tell him how much fun are you having?
having fucking fun, man.
It's currently like 8 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? We're still at it. It will be in before midnight. Dude, this long damn day started. We out here with the rawest flashlight guy. Look at him, hard at work, boy.
Put the shit right there.
We got some oopsies over here. Logan, rate 10 out of 10 on the lift.
As far as what?
As far as putting it on. Logan, give me your opinion.
You really want that?
Yeah, give me your opinion.
You really want that opinion?
I think me and RJ think it's a 10.
That's a 10.
I think that's pretty good.
Holding this
I
flash.
think it's pretty good. He's probably giving it a 2 right now.
-2.
Yeah. He's about to throw that flashlight work in the dark
Throw this fucking bolt across the country, baby.
once he gets it out.
A few moments later.
Yo, we didn't get it done last night. We couldn't get the torsion bar to get tightened down, so we had to get the tool. You know, day number 2, show day. Boys, what is it? What is it? Show day, baby.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is us. Everybody's gonna start pulling in. We gotta wash everything. What else we got to do? Get his somewhat alignment done, wash everything, and it's time to roll. It's slide time. We out here now, y'all. Waiting for the rest of them as roll. Josh, where are we going to?
I don't even fucking know.
Yeah, that part. That part. Little sliding. Rolo, where are we going, my boy?
We're going to Burlington to shut shit down.
Yes, sir.
Fords have to park by themselves.
Huh?
Fords have to park by themselves.
God. Opposite way, too. Look at this. Touchdown Burlington is packed. Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
What time is it?
Today we're gonna shut everything down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, well,
It's that time. It's that time. It's
top 10 type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, for sure. Got the awards out. Yes, sir. We're rolling. We active out here. RJ, you having problems too?
So I'm trying to see.
Que ya no son saludables, que ya no pueden ser controladas con sus manos. Demonios.
No, not the rack. No. top 100 out of it. Now we got to get this ride over with. We're on our way home. We're going to cookout on the way. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to throw some random ones in at the end, some regular random pics. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. Make sure y'all are smashing that sub button so I can keep doing content like this.